What's up, carnivores? Zach here with American Smoke, and today we're going to make some caramel apple cream cheese. Let's check this out. We've got two different seasonings from Lane's Barbecue. We've got their chocolate sea salt caramel. They sent me a sample of this. We're going to try it out. And we've got some Lane's homemade apple pie. Lots of cinnamon, sugar, things like that. Tastes really good. We're going to be putting this onto our cream cheese and just seeing what it do. Caramel goes on first. This cream cheese has gotten a little bit warm, so I will not be picking it up and adding it to the sides as much. We're just going to tilt it. And then we're going to hit the apple pie. The good thing about getting an extra of this into the bottom is that it's going to be fine because the more you've got in the bottom means the more when you dip your cream cheese out, the more it's going to be around, and you can get a little extra seasoning onto your cream cheese. So let's go ahead and put this in the smoker. We've got our smoker coming up to temp today, 250 degrees. I expect this to take somewhere between 1 and 2 hours. I'm just looking for a nice squat from my cream cheese. Shut it down, rock and roll. All right, so it's been an hour and a half. Let's get in here and check out what our salted caramel apple pie cream cheese tastes like. Looks like, tastes like, something. See that squat right there? That's what I'm talking about when I say a squat. Now, we did not score this cream cheese. We just put the seasoning on it and we let her rip tater chip. What I've got here is a nice little bowl of melted, unsalted butter. Because what do you have to have when you make an apple pie? You need some butter, you need some cinnamon, you need some sugar, you need some graham crackers. And it's gonna be good, I guarantee. All right, so that's buttered up. Now that we've got that buttered up out of the smoker, it's time to get out a graham cracker and see what it do. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Favorite time of the cook. Y'all make sure I'll leave some links to this stuff below. We've got some chocolate sea salt caramel seasoning from Lane's, some delicious homemade apple pie. This stuff is also good on pork chops. You got some graham crackers, baby, because you gotta have that graham cracker crust. Apple pie, salted caramel apple pie. I mean, that just sounds, you know, I'm not trying to offend anybody, but that's fat people food right there. You know what I'm saying? Like, we gotta get our fat on. It's game day. Let's check it out. Roll it around in a little bit of that butter and some of that extra seasoning that got laid on the edge there. This is gonna be scalding hot. Scalding hot. Let's blow on it. Ooh. Nice creamy texture. Super hot. Well, too hot. It's too hot.
Wow.
It's too hot.
Why did you do?
I thought maybe I was tough. Now I'm injured. Thank God it tastes so good. It's really good. That's the bad part about me when I go to taste something and realize that it's really hot. If I messed around and made something that tasted good, I want to go right back in for another bite. I mean, why not? You know, the nerve endings have already got permanent damage. Why not just go ahead, be telling people how I used to taste this? I used to taste that. I remember when I used to could taste things. See, the problem is that it's in this clay, porcelain, something other, whatever it's made out of. And this is holding temp. So the butter is hotter now than it was when I poured it over the top of this thing. Super genius right here. I gotta get my hat that says super genius. Let me hear from all you in the comments if you're a super genius when it comes to eating hot food. Just comment super genius. You're hot. Oh God. Oh good though. Man. I just taste you. If you're not into smoking cream cheese, what are you even doing with your life? It's time to sit down and do some thinking. Get you a block of cream cheese, throw it in the smoker, put whatever you want on it, whatever flavor profile you go with. Use whatever dipping mechanism, condiment, complimentary, crunchy thing that you would use to eat something that tastes like that. You know what I'm saying? Like if it's salty, get you a tortilla chip. If it's savory, get you a Ritz cracker or something like that. If it's sweet and caramelly and appley, get you a graham cracker. Just throw something on some cream cheese and smoke it. 250, till it's got a nice squat to it, starts separating just a little bit. It's not ever gonna just run. Cream cheese don't do that. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna go put some ice on my tongue. Thanks for watching, smoke on, and I'll see y'all in the next video.